How are we doing, everybody? It's Robert here from Euronics. I'm here today in Telford and Portlaoise. I'm with Sean Roddy from Samsung. Thanks, Sean, for giving us your time. We're here to review this new product, the Samsung Freestyle. Fantastic new product, one of the most talked about products of 2022. Just launched at CES. I believe Euronics are one of the first retailers to get our hands on it and talk about it. Am I correct?
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
Brilliant. So, Sean, tell me about the Freestyle.
Yeah, no worries at all. So what we have here, Robert, is a brand new product from Samsung for 2022.
Yep.
It's called the Freestyle Smart TV Projector. The first thing you're going to notice about it is its amazing design. So it's instant setup, so really easy to set up, and all you have to do after that is point and play. So whether you have it on your wall, or you can point it vertically and have your favorite content on your roof.
Brilliant.
What we also have is 3 autos available on there. So we have autofocus, so it's going to give you your perfect picture.
Yep.
We have auto keystoning if you do need to move it around a little bit, and it's also got auto leveling. It's the first projector in the market with auto leveling built into it.
So even if it's on a surface that's not level, it corrects itself.
Exactly. So
That's
you can
amazing.
have it on any wall, the ceiling, whatever your setup, it's going to give you the perfect picture.
Brilliant. What else you got?
What we also have, which is pretty cool, is it's fully powered by Tizen, the smart system. Exactly the same as our TVs. So that means you're going to have all of your most popular apps on the projector as well, like if you're Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus. So whatever you want to watch on the go, you can do so with a handheld device and have it up to 100 inches as well.
Or 17 inches.
Or as small as 17 inches. So depending
it's
on your
one
wall,
for everyone.
Exactly. So depending on your wall, depending on your setup, wherever you want to have it, you can have it as small as 17 inches, just like you said, and as big, as super big, as 100 inches.
Sound?
Yeah, as you can see on there with the design, you have a 360 surround sound, and you also have a 5-watt subwoofer built in.
Brilliant. I've just noticed there's a little mic on the side of it, so it works with Alexa.
So it's the first projector in the market that is far field communication, which means that you can have Alexa and Bixby built in. So you don't have to grab your remote, you can just talk to it, tell it to turn off the lights, tell it to turn products on.
I want one, Sean. I have to have one.
Yeah.
No, it's a fantastic product. So I have to ask the question, and I shouldn't. It does work with Apple.
It does. It's fully compatible with Tap and Play for Android and AirPlay 2. So it's a solution for everyone.
Perfect for somebody on the go, perfect for the younger generation having the parties when they can have parties.
Yeah, exactly right.
The cap you have in your hand, just explain what that is, because I've not...
Yeah. So this is just a lens cap. So as we talked about, it's Tap Play compatible. So you can have your music on there. And if you want to add that little ambience with different array of lighting, then you can pop your light cap on and it'll give you the light from the music video up and around the room.
Unbelievable. And I can also project images onto walls like happy birthdays. It's ambient mode, isn't it?
Yeah. It's got its very own ambient mode built in. So you can have static images or moving images on the wall when your person arrives for their birthday, like happy birthday, happy new year, whatever you want on there.
I just think it's savage. Just so many applications for it. There's so many people that can use it. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Freestyle is now available for pre-order from your local Euronics store. So you can visit us online at euronics.ie or visit your local Euronics member for more details. Thanks very much, Sean.